Buenos días amigos. En este video vamos a practicar los acentos escritos en español. So we're going to practice your written accent marks in Spanish. If you haven't yet learned the rules that I give for this, there is a link for you on the document looking at. The document is linked in the description of this video. You can just go ahead and go to the description, open up that link, and it'll take you to what you're looking at here. And then you can click on that link, it will take you to my lesson, or you can search YouTube for Spanish accent marks, and my lesson is one of the first ones that comes up. And you can learn my rules and then come back and use this as extra practice. So that's what this is some extra practice. So what I'm going to do for you is I will pronounce each of those 10 words twice. Listen to me pronounce them, maybe then pause the video and decide, should there be a written accent mark on the word, and if so, where? And then I'll give you my answers about 5 seconds after I finish pronouncing the words. So make sure you pause the video if you want a second to think about it. So here we go. Uno. Apellido. Apellido. Dos. Aquí. Aquí. Tres. Árido. Árido. Cuatro. Dócil. Dócil. Cinco. Dogma. Dogma. Seis. Dogmático. Dogmático. 7. Eficaz. Eficaz. 8. Ejecutivo. Ejecutivo. 9. Duración. Duración. 10. Estrés. Estrés. So pause the video if you want to think about it, because I'm going to start giving my answers right about now. So the first one, apellido, does not carry a written accent mark because the stress is over that I. Second one, aquí, will have an accent mark right here over that I because the stress is at the end. Number 3, árido, will have an accent mark over the A because the stress is the third or more back from the end. Dócil will have an accent mark over the O because the stress is right here on this syllable and it ends in something other than a vowel N or S. Dogma will not have a written accent mark because the stress is right here over the O and it ends in a vowel N or S. Dogmático will have a written accent mark over this A because it's the third or more syllable back. Dogmático. Eficaz will not have a written accent mark because the stress is on the last syllable and it ends in something other than a vowel N or S. Ocho. Ejecutivo will not have a written accent mark because the stress is on this syllable right here, the TI, and it ends in a vowel N or S. Duración will have an accent mark over the O because the stress is over the last syllable and it ends in a vowel N or S. And 10, estrés will have an accent mark over the E because it ends in a vowel N or S and the stress is on that last syllable. So I know these rules can be somewhat confusing. Go ahead and listen to them again from my actual video lesson if you need some extra practice. I think I have some in there, and I might even have another one of these practice videos out there as well, so take a look for that if you want even more practice. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section. Subscribe for more videos, leave a like if you did, and I'll see you next time.